Partners are the trusted advisors for customers to harness all of this AI innovation. And with trust comes great responsibility. In September of 2023, Microsoft introduced the Copilot copyright commitment to our customers. This extends Microsoft's IP obligation to our commercial Copilot services and the output from Azure OpenAI. It's designed to create peace of mind using Microsoft AI and Copilot tools without worrying about legal risk. I'm very pleased to announce our commitment to include our reseller partners in this obligation, both resellers as customers yourselves, as well as for your own end customers. This gives our reseller partners the ability to assure customers that they have the exact same protection as customers purchasing Copilots directly from Microsoft. So earlier today, Satya announced so much exciting news. I wanted to highlight just a couple of the big opportunities for our partners. He spoke about this agentic world, and it's defined by a tapestry of